Hello everyone, here I am Vikas Jindal and today in this video I am going to show you my project which is of user validation through email verification. So the question came in mind that why there is a need of email verification. As uh, so the answer is that email is still one of the most preferred and effective communication channel as most of the people are using mail for their business purpose and in their daily life and uh, and 10% of the email addresses collected by the companies are accurate. This bad data is mostly due to human error, as the real customers start with real emails, and the use of email validation is still the most effective way to ensure the collection of quality data. So, whenever you verify email addresses, your email marketing is more effective, fraud prevention is improved, and the ability to protect your sender reputation increases. As a verified email is a verified person behind the email. Present pre- uh, pre- Prevent some simple bots. A verified email allows you to contact a person about security breaches or other important site issues, site announcement. A verified email is higher value for marketing purpose. A verified email can reduce person frustration if the email was typed in wrong. If a user joined some music service, made a bunch of playlist and then logged out and forgot the password, it would be helpful if they could reset the password properly. So these all are the benefits of verifying the user mail. So this project will going to verify the user mail by providing a code, by sending a code to the mail provided by the user. Let's see it how. So first of all, I am going to sign it here with the mail, and I am going to verify the mail. So what I am going to do is I am going to send a verification code on the mail which is provided by the user. Let's see. As you can see, a verification code is there which is 777 055. 777 055. What if I'm going to provide here with the wrong code? For example, 777 054. Now it will going to show me an error that is an invalid code. Now again I am going to provide the same mail, and this time I am going to provide with the accurate code, which is 424649. 424649. So it is checking that whether the code is correct or not. If the code provided by the user is correct, then only he could able to get registered. Otherwise, it will be a it will be a fake user or get back to the sign in page as provide correct email. So the password I am providing with I am given here is 123456. And I am going to submit the form. It is showing that record saved successfully. Now, what if I am going to sign in again with the same mail ID? Let's see what it will going to do. Verify mail. It will going to put me an error that is login first as email already exists and redirected me to the login page. Now here I am going to provide this mail and provide with the right password and login. It will going to show me that I am a valid user. Again, if I am going to provide with the mail and I am going to provide with the incorrect password and try to log in, that it will going to show that invalid password. That simply means that the email has email is you are already signed in and your mail is there, but your password is incorrect. So a user can go through the forgot password. So here user need to provide their mail again and again. user need to verify the mail to reset the password, because it might be possible that some of your friend know that you have registered over there with that mail, or he could able to just simply come and change your password. So that can also be happen with you, and that will not going to create the user prevention. As I have already discussed that ability to protect your sender reputation increases, but if your user will going to change that password, that it will not be going to be good for the user. So again our verification code is sent. Let's see what the code is. The code is 993410. 993410. As you can see that each and every time the code is different. So the new password that I'm going to set over here is 1234567, 1234567, and going to submit it over here. This shows that password updated. Now I am going to log in with the updated password that I have just updated, valid user. Now what if a fraud user or a fake user try to log in the site? Let us say that a random mail with the incorrect password which is not there in the database now login. It will going to throw an error that is email not exist, sign in first. So a user must need to sign in first, then only he could able to log in. And what if a user will click on the forgot password and provide any random mail, for example sjd@gmail.com, verify mail, email not exist, sign in first. So only a user could able to log in or use the forgot password only and only if he or she has sign already signed in, and he could only be able to sign in or register himself on the site if and only if he or she get registered, verify their mail. So this is the whole project, and the need of the project is as you can see that the company Facebook, 16% of all Facebook accounts are fake or duplicates. Facebook keep on deleting their account, the fake users day by day, because the increase in the IT company has in- also increased in the number of fake users. So to protect your site from the fake users, you can follow the verification of the email which is provided by the user, as it will going to provide your user a sense of security that the mail he is providing will be take care will be maintained by the company. Or you can also say that a verified mail is a verified person. So it will be useful for both the companies at for the company as well as the user. So thank you, this is my project, hope you like it.